I promise you guys to send more video that you've been taking at the shop and the industry. I would like to clear a field to everyone that is complaining and telling shit, talking shit, whatever. I know you guys have the right to say whatever you guys can say. I don't know who's sending you, but you must remember one thing. Whatever you say, that you must know that can happen to your brother, sister, or family member one day. That is very necessary for you to know that when you come speaking in necessary stuff without no for 10 rand, 500 rand or something like that. Guys, there's a lot happen, you know, there's a lot happen, and it's just crazy. Everything is crazy, but I'm going to post some few video today so you guys can see. I'm gonna keep posting video. I'm not wrong. This I'm doing it is for your own good and it's for everyone good, you know, because you know Hartfield is a place that there's a lot of students, and you know many families send people to come to Hartfield, like students studying there, and all this when it's happening, you know, people from overseas or whatever the world, and when all this happening is not good reputation not for the club but the country in the same time, because it's a country that people trusting the country for them coming here, for them being safe to club or all of that. So when there's some such happening, we need to stand off this. I've been working there 7 years. I've been saying it. I know the industry how it works. You guys, all of you that are coming to speak, management, I don't want to say name, but you guys gonna push me to say all your name, because I can see you guys are correct, because all you care is about your job. You guys just care about losing your job, but you guys do not care about all those shit happening and those people relation, and those people life, and those people also get family. Maybe they are better in their family, they don't suffer, they don't need anything. So when you guys acting, pretending, posting those shit that the industry of Zanzou sending you, putting on your stage, that God must see you guys. I'm telling you this with all the anger on my heart, because nothing is normal anymore. I'm gonna send the voice that the owner of the industry that tell me, you can do whatever you wanna do. We're gonna meet at court. I'm gonna pay for what I did, and I'm going to deal with you. We see who's gonna win. That message is just that message you guys hear. It's easy to hear that, but that is a very, very, very big war. Like, it's a fight that right now in my position, right now, there's people that have been looking for me to do such bad thing. I'm getting information from left to right, and I'm not safe. The government need to know that, number one, I'm not safe. Number two, I will need a big protection, because if you guys gonna let this being like something normal, this thing is going to be affected time to times. This thing is going to be repeating times to times. You know, guys, you guys in Zanzou staff, you are very disappointment, because all of you suffer there. There's no one who like management. There's no one who like what is happening there. All of you know what's happening there. The treatment, everything. You guys know it. So if you guys gonna just pretending for you saving that place and saving that job that they're paying you shit, they're using you, it's very big shame for people like you, because I'm thinking like you guys can think, but we are not thinking the same, I guess, as I can see. You know, Mr. Rani, I know you are looking for me, and I know all your team is busy looking for me to kill me. All I'm gonna tell the Republic of South Africa, that if anything happened to me, if anything, you must know already what's happening. Is them, because guys, those people that are too smart that you can never understand. They're smart. They think us we're stupid. But it's cool sometimes to look stupid, but you know what you are doing and what you are planning. Life is going on. Life change. Life turn. People who knows me, they will talk good about me. All the customers that I give good treatment, that I did give them. Everyone knows me. People who knows me, they know I work on Zanzou. I hear you guys coming here texting, posting that testament or whatever. You guys saying that you guys fire me because I always beat people. My population, let me tell you, all those things, they are fake. All these things, they are fake. You can ask everyone, management, even the staff, unless they already corrupt them the way they always do. They come tell them, this is this, this is this. Because those people, they get order. All they get is order. Imagine the boss come and tell you, when those people immigration, they come here, they ask you 1, 2, 3, just tell them 1, 2, 3. I'm just a simple worker. I'll do what they say, because if I don't do it, I know I'll lose my job. And they don't care. They don't give a fuck. They don't give a shit. Like, they don't give a fuck. And all of you work on Zanzou. All of people who know Zanzou, let me not speak all about Zanzou. All those people who work on those industry, you knows. Everyone knows. If I'm wrong, only God can judge me. But all of you guys know those people are using you. But you guys are just there for the money. Because you know, if you leave that place, you won't get another job very easy to pay your rent, to pay your food. It's the reason all of you coming in the commenter talking, saying this. Thank you guys. But I'm going to send some few video. There's some, like, I'm gonna send some video that I'm going to post right now. And I'm going to post another video, the owner himself, putting people knife in the S, himself, the owner. And I'm going to put another video that, let me just post 2 videos. I'll keep posting every single day. Guys, those people that are dangerous. If I'm taking this out, there's a lot of underground explanation that I need to explain, and I'll keep explaining. But you guys need to know those people that are dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I was there 7 years ago. You guys did not know what I see. You guys did not know what I lived. But let's speak less. As you guys can see, some videos already turning on the internet, how they're treating people. There's no more to say. But let's just pass by the action. And I know this is a big fight. I need a big support from left to right, everyone. Just watch me, check on me, and just make sure that I'm good. Because if I did not say this, it might happen to you, to your brother, to your sister, to somewhere else. And there's a lot of victims that will come complain about this, because it's true, and it's really, it is. It's fucking is really true. I'm telling you this shit from my, out of my heart. It's fucking true. Bro, you know how many people come work to that industry, they just work 2 days, 3 days, they left. There's a lot of people. There's a lot. But I need just to show you what is wrong. I'm just going to post some free stuff to see some students, what they go through. Thank you guys for today.